Connectivity technology. USB 2.0 Type A. IP32 protection defends against accidents so your gameplay never has to stop. German-made Cherry MX keyswitches provide the reliability and accuracy you demand with a smooth, linear response. Corsair iCUE software enables vivid dynamic lighting control, sophisticated macro programming and full system lighting synchronization across compatible Corsair peripherals, coolers, fans and more. Top reviews from the United States. This is a fantastic, lighted, mechanical keyboard. I ordered this one for my wife, who fell in love with another Corsair mechanical keyboard that I own. For us older folk, there is something happily nostalgic about the clickety-clack of this kind of keyboard. I am not too old to play video games, however, and the lighted keyboard is just great to help in the heat of an adventure.